Sheree for Just Nailed It. Today we are here for Mask Monday. Today I'm going to attempt to do this detoxifying collagen face mask, charcoal and seaweed. I'm not sure what kind of mask it is. It says no animal testing. One sheet mask. Oh, sheet mask. I'm glad it's not a gel because I'm not a fan of those. I need my Michael Myers mask out. Michael! Michael! We need you, Michael! Or should I wear his sister? I think I'll wear his sister. Michael! Just playing. Just playing. Oh boy. I can't get this apart. Oh boy. There's the center of it. Can't figure out where to go from here. This isn't good. Oh my goodness. We're going to spend 10 minutes just trying to unravel a mask that... Oh, here I'm making some headway. I'm making some headway. I'm making some headway. Good gracious. Lord Almighty, I could not believe it. Oh, I forgot to cleanse my face first. Oh. Oh. Oh well, we're just gonna have to sucker it up. There's something on my mask. In 2 places. Okay. Oh, let's look at the break. I was looking at the tablet and I got Christine playing. Oh, I got hair everywhere. I got Life with Christine playing on my tablet. She is trying to reach monetization, so if you can, go put her on. By the time this goes up, she may be monetized by now, I don't know. But go give her a whirl. Oh, this is juicy and it feels so good. Oh. Then we're going to put Michael's sister on. Michael. Michael. I shouldn't do that. I got a friend named Michael. So what's her name now? I forget. That's good. I can't remember. It's either Melissa Myers or Michelle. There we go. Okay, and then we got, oh my god, 20 minutes. Holy cow, that's what it says. 20 minutes. Shoot, what are we going to do for 20 minutes? I did want to put those on, but I don't know, I didn't do it. So we'll put those away until next time. Recently you're going to have seen a Temu haul go up, so please check that out if you haven't already. I need to stretch out a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Some of you may have noticed. Let's see if you can tell. I had like 7 inches cut off my hair last week. 2 weeks ago. I've been cutting it because with one of the medications that I take, it's not a medication, it's an over-the-counter biotin for hair, skin, and nails. You can get these at Walmart. Well, you can probably get them at Myers. You can get them at the Dollar Tree, but I take one a day and it's 10,000 units. So my hair grows really fast. Really fast. So, I don't know. I've been chopping at my hair like 5-6 inches at a time, and then it'll grow out to like down to here, and then I'll cut it again, and I just got tired of cutting it myself, so I figured, well, let's go get her cut professionally. So, I'll just BS email. So I went and had that done 2 weeks ago, right before my birthday. Time this goes up, it's probably going to be 3 weeks. 3 weeks ago, so I had it cut. I'm loving it though. I told him I still need to go up in a ponytail. Normally, if my hair's not in a ponytail, it's in this clip. Some of it falls out in here. Not a lot of it, but some of it does. So we've had this on only a couple minutes, and it says a 20-minute mask. It will leave you beautiful. Increases absorption into the skin for full benefits. I can't see. So, I'm not sure where I got this. I don't know if this was Dollar Tree. If this came from Artsy Fartsy Nails, I don't remember. Let's see if there's a smell. Oh, it's a very slight, if you inhale deeply into the pack, it's a very slight fragrance. This is charcoal and seaweed. It's starting to slide up my face. So yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Listed this satellite. Oh, when you're watching people's videos and you're just gonna subscribe, please watch 3 to 5 minutes, because otherwise YouTube counts it as spam and you will lose that person as a sub. The sub gets taken off your account. Trust me, it's the truth. You can ask anybody that's had it, that's been on YouTube for a while. Because it's just, I don't know, it's a pain in the rump. It really is how they do it. So please watch 3 to 5 minutes when subscribing, then click the, the subscription bell, the notification bell on all. And that's just not for my channel, it's for anybody that you're going to go and subscribe to. Excuse me. Excuse me, piggy. Excuse me, piggy. So yeah, just had I was doing my 1400 giveaway. I wanted it to roll over back to 1405, but when I'm filming this, today is the 20th. Today's the first day of spring I'm filming this, so we're stuck at 1401. I wanted to get to 1405 just to have some cushion, I guess you could say. There's going to be 1 grand prize, or there was, depending on if I've gotten there or not by... It's hard to say. But I had a package. I can show it to you what they're going to win. This is sealed. I was cleaning out my my drawer that has all my crystals, my charms, my kawaii items, my monomer. I mean, it's a pretty big drawer in a cart, so, and I was cleaning out, and I gave a boatload to Crystal. She hasn't gotten it yet. I gave some to Crystal, some to Christine. She hasn't got hers yet either. And then there's for the giveaway, which is what I'm filming. So they haven't gotten that yet either. So as of now, the 20th, I don't know who the winner's going to be. A little premature there, I know, but somebody. We're having a good turnout for the giveaway, so hopefully by the time this goes up, there'll be this will go up, I don't know if it'll be the end of March or the end of April. So hopefully by now I've drawn and we've hit that 1405 mark. Well, I have been babbling for like, I don't know, 5 minutes at least. I'm at the 10-minute mark almost, but I've been babbling for a good 5 minutes. I'm going to pause. And we'll be back when it's time to take this puppy off. Alrighty, we are back. It's been probably longer than 20 minutes. I've been watching the boob tube. So anyways, we're done. I'm going to take Michelle off my face. Michelle! I like Michael! I like that better. Michael! Oh yeah. Take its juiciness and rub it on your face. It's dew, it's essence. It can only help. It cannot hurt. Here's your smile lines, you ladies. Over the hill. Over the hill. And through the woods. I'm not going to sing, really not. First I'll throw this away. We are done for today. Let your mask dry. Clean it, wash it, whatever you do with yours. Don't forget. I'm getting really thirsty. Excuse me 1 minute. I started doing my videos and I'm like, I'm parched. I am big on moisturizing. You wouldn't know that by my hands. For hands, I like to use in the wintertime. In the fall, you don't want something for your skin. If you get lotion in your hand, it just slides on down around your hand. That's not a good hand lotion, body lotion, anything to have at all whatsoever. This is my fave. Fave. Comes with the foil. I guess this is the Dollar Tree. I buy them like 3-4 at a time. It's thick. It does not run anywhere. For your face. Pond's. Firm believer, guys, this is the Dollar Tree. Firm believer in this. Put this on your face at night for moisture. For age define. Perfect color complex. There's something perfect. I don't know. I can't see it. It's too small. So there are my tips and tricks and advice for you today on the lotion. Shoot. Sorry. Gotta pick this stuff up. Down below is where I keep all my removers, my acetone, my alcohol pump, and my regular. Keep it down here on my shelf, and they all came tumbling down. Anyways, believe in Pond's, great hand care. In the summertime for your lotions, you can have, in the summertime, this is like one of my faves right here is this. I buy the Great Big Pump at Walmart. And dropping things over. Also, if you could afford to, so I've had donations before of this Burt's Bees. I'm a huge fan of Burt's Bees. So if anybody ever wants to send me some lotions, Burt's Bees is one. The Palmers I like as well. Pond's. Summertime you can go with the thinner lotion, but in the wintertime you should not. You should have that thicker lotion to trap in that moisture. And you probably all think I'm just babbling. So we're going to end this for today. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my charcoal mask. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.